15 foods to heal and repair fatty liver. A healthier you starts here. Hello and welcome. Fatty liver disease is a serious health issue growing more common today, linked to unhealthy diets, sedentary lifestyles, excessive sugar intake, or alcohol consumption. But here's the good news. Your liver can heal itself, and your food choices play a crucial role in this process. In this video, we'll discuss 15 incredible foods that are scientifically proven to help reverse fatty liver disease. We'll also share easy tips on how to incorporate them into your diet for the best results. Let's dive right in, because a healthier liver means a healthier you. Fatty liver disease, sometimes referred to as hepatic steatosis, occurs when too much fat builds up in the liver cells. There are two types. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, often caused by poor diet or obesity. Alcoholic fatty liver disease, linked to excessive alcohol consumption. While the disease is often silent, symptoms such as fatigue, abdominal pain, or swelling can appear over time. If left untreated, fatty liver can lead to severe liver damage, including cirrhosis or liver failure. The liver, however, is an amazing organ. It has the ability to regenerate and repair damage, especially when you give it the right nutrients. To repair your liver, you should focus on anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich, and nutrient-packed foods. These foods help to reduce liver fat deposits, detoxify harmful substances, decrease inflammation and oxidative stress, encourage the liver's natural regeneration process. Now let's explore 15 powerhouse foods that can support healing and regeneration of your liver. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins that help improve liver function. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea reduces liver fat and improves liver enzyme levels. Start your day with a cup of green tea instead of sugary coffee or soft drinks. Leafy greens are fantastic for detoxifying the liver due to their high chlorophyll content. Chlorophyll helps in removing toxins from the bloodstream, while the antioxidants repair liver damage. Add spinach, kale, or arugula to your morning smoothie, or toss them into a salad. Garlic is a must-have for liver health. It contains sulfur compounds that activate enzymes in the liver to flush out toxins. Even a small daily amount of garlic can reduce inflammation and help burn fat deposits in the liver. Include minced garlic in soups, stir-fries, or roasted veggies for a flavor boost. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and glutathione, a compound that helps repair damaged liver cells. They also help reduce bad cholesterol levels, which can ease the liver's workload. Snack on avocado toast or add thin slices to your sandwiches or salads. Nuts like walnuts and almonds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. These nutrients reduce inflammation and oxidative stress while promoting heart and liver health. A small handful of nuts as a snack or a topping for oatmeal is an easy way to gain these benefits. Berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that minimize liver damage caused by free radicals. Snack on fresh berries, blend them into smoothies, or use them as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Oats are a fiber-rich food perfect for combating fatty liver. Their beta-glucans improve liver function by helping remove toxins and bad cholesterol. Swap out sugary breakfast cereals for a wholesome bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit or nuts. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. They help reduce triglycerides and inflammation in the liver. Try baked or grilled salmon with a squeeze of lemon for a nutrient-rich meal. Legumes like garbanzo beans, chickpeas, and lentils are plant-based sources of protein rich in fiber and essential nutrients. They help regulate blood sugar and reduce fat buildup in the liver. Incorporate these into soups, stews, or salads for a hearty addition. Citrus fruits, such as lemons, oranges, and limes, are high in vitamin C, which aids in reducing toxins in the liver. A simple glass of warm water infused with lemon first thing in the morning can help kickstart your liver's detox processes. Beets are liver-friendly vegetables thanks to their betalains, nutrients that reduce oxidative damage and improve bile flow for detoxification. Try roasting beets or blending them into a smoothie with ginger for a nutrient-packed drink. Turmeric is a super spice celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties. Its active ingredient, curcumin, supports the repair of liver tissues and prevents fat deposits. Sprinkle turmeric into your cooking or mix a teaspoon into warm milk for a soothing turmeric latte. Quinoa is a whole grain with a low glycemic index, making it a great alternative to refined grains like white rice. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels and slows down the process of fat accumulation in the liver. Substitute quinoa for rice in dishes or use it as a base for salads. These cruciferous vegetables activate liver detox enzymes. High in fiber and sulfur compounds, broccoli and cauliflower improve the liver's detoxification ability. Steam or roast them as a side dish to accompany your main meals. Lastly, watermelon is incredibly hydrating and helps flush out toxins from the body. It also contains glutathione, which assists in liver detoxification. Enjoy watermelon slices as a refreshing snack, especially in the warmer months. Meal planning tips. Plan meals where you can easily combine several of these foods, like a spinach salad topped with avocado, walnuts, and berries, or an oatmeal bowl with berries and a side of green tea. Simple swaps. Replace sugary processed snacks with whole foods, like nuts or fruit. Try legumes like lentils instead of red meat in soups or stews. Opt for quinoa instead of white rice or pasta. Consistency is key. Adding just one or two of these foods to each meal consistently will make a big difference over time. Healing your liver isn't only about food. Other key habits complement these dietary changes. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to support detoxification. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps burn liver fat and promotes overall metabolic health. Aim for 30 minutes of exercise daily. Limit harmful substances. Reduce or eliminate alcohol and sugary drinks, which overload your liver and increase fat buildup. By combining these changes with a liver-friendly diet, you'll maximize your liver's ability to heal itself. Let's take a moment to debunk some common myths around fatty liver repair. The damage is irreversible. Not true. The liver is incredibly regenerative when given the proper care. Detox diets are the only solution. Fad detoxes don't heal the liver. Instead, focus on whole foods and gradual lifestyle improvements. You can't have fatty liver without being obese. Fatty liver can occur in individuals of various body types, not just those who are overweight. Your liver works tirelessly to keep you healthy, and now it's your turn to give back. Start by incorporating these 15 liver-friendly foods into your daily life and making small but consistent improvements. A healthier liver leads to better energy, improved metabolism, and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. Remember, it's never too late to take charge of your health. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more health tips and sharing it with a friend who might benefit. Together, let's transform our lives, one meal at a time. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.